Hello, this is Wilson from Huidu Technology. This video primarily introduces the Wireless LED screen configuration operation for the view processor, applicable to VP series video processors. Some modules are not supported. Please refer to the instruction manual for details. The processor connects to the Wi-Fi antenna. Connects to the processor's Wi-Fi from the computer. Open the software HD site. Find the Wi-Fi device name of processor. Click on Screen Configuration. Enter the receiver card parameter Smart Settings. In the Smart Settings, configure the enclosure information and module information. Select the chip module and decoding. Confirm the scanning results before proceeding to the next step. At this point, the screen displays the image. Debug according to the real-time display on the screen. Click on Send Query. Next, enter the connection settings. Interface based on the display screen's displayed image. Select the complex mode. Configure the connection diagram. After completing the settings, click on Send and Query to successfully complete the configuration. If you want to know more about details, please contact us.